Hey guys, it's Jason over at Kaiser Willys again. This is going to be one of those videos where we talk about some of the new parts that we have at Kaiser Willys. These are really, really cool. You've got original type packaging, really cool design on the boxes. And these parts are going to have the Willys logo on the actual part. So right here, this is going to be the pedal bracket for like the early vehicles. I have this on my CJ2A. So the early one, here's a thermostat, 160 degree thermostat. Again, awesome packaging. 12 volt coil. So you'll see 12 volt coil with bracket. It's got the Willys Overland number on there. Really cool. And this is just a few of them. We've got a bunch of them that we're going to be introducing. I just love the packaging. I love the Willys owner product, the W and the O. This is a crankshaft pulley for the MB, GPW. You can use the same thing. CJ2A, 3A, it's just the single. And then here's the last one for this video. This is a master cylinder. This is the early style. So the early one, the A556, where you've got one threaded hole and one unthreaded hole. So really cool, great packaging. So let's take a look at what these parts kind of look like. So this is the cool one. I like this. This is really, really great. 160 degree thermostat. But check this out. It's like straight brass, pretty. Not that you're gonna, see this, but it is really cool. And then if you look here, you've got WO product. You've got down here, let's see if I can get you in there. There's the Willys Overland logo. You've also got the word USA on it. Really, really cool, really pretty, really nice to look at. If nothing else, impressive just straight out the box. So there's a thermostat right there. Let's take a look at this pulley next. So again, this is the single crankshaft pulley. You've got the WO number right there, 638113. This is a part that you'll be seeing come back onto our website. So we're just gonna use the same part number. So this is a really, really cool product with the Willys Overland number there on it. Proper spacing and everything. It's even got some protection here just so that it can kind of have a good clean surface when you're ready to install. I just can't get over the fact of how well made these parts are. This is very heavy duty, very heavy duty. Okay, so this is the pedal bracket. This is what your pedal cross shaft is actually going to go through. So it's the thing that kind of looks like something from Star Wars. I kind of like to joke about that. It's like one of those TIE fighters or something like that the Darth Vader would fly around in. Tell me that doesn't look like a starfighter or a, I don't know, I'm not a big Star Wars guy, but anyway, really cool. Grease zerk here. You've got a bushing on the inside and outside. Got the little beveled grooves in there. I don't know if you can see it, so that when the grease goes in, it can kind of get along that shaft really well. Really nice product, really heavy duty. Again, these are heavy duty products. We've got that guy. Here's the coil, the 12 volt coil. It's gonna come with a bracket. And really cool right there, right out the box. The Willys Overland logo right here. Coil, 12 volt, 4-cylinder. So that's great. And then you've got the markings right here for negative and positive. You've got going over to the distributor. You can kind of see what's going on down in there. So great coil with the Willys logo. And then the last one for this video is that master cylinder, the A556, the early. Just, I couldn't, this would be one of those things that I'm hanging on to this box. If I put this on my vehicle, I'm hanging on to this box. I'm putting it up somewhere, display it somewhere on a wall, get a shelf just for these parts, just for these packages, because these are just so cool. And then you've got here, just talking about the bleeding system. So it's got its own bleeding instructions. Talks about how to do all that, what all the different pieces are in here. So again, and then right here, cool little design there. So let's get into the master cylinder. Okay, so again, like I said, this is the early. So you've got an unthreaded hole and then you've got a threaded hole here. So this is going to be for MBGPW early CJ2A. You're going to get the boot. So if you pull the boot off, you'll see all the innards in here. It's got the plunger and everything. You've got a gasket. It says Wagner, Lockheed, USA. So really cool, really nice. And you've got the Willys logo right there on your master cylinder. Words USA. You guys are going to be really happy with some of these products that we're going to be coming out here. I like it. I like the packaging. I will be installing these on my CJ2A. So I'll be putting this guy on there. I'll be putting this coil on there. I'll be putting this thermostat in there. You've got the pulley right here. So this is a heavy duty pulley. If you guys have, we sell the import versions and so forth. This is going to be a really heavy duty single groove single groove crankshaft pulley, and then your pedal shaft, heavy duty grease zerk, and then a cool little coil. I love the fact that the Willys logo is on there. So anyway, this is going to be, I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something, five or six of the new products that we've got. I've got more. We've got another couple videos to do with them. I'll keep these short and sweet, kind of introduce some of these things. So if you guys are interested in these products right here, we're going to list them. They'll be specifically located on our website with all of the packaging and so forth, so you can differentiate from the parts that we already sell. So again, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you like these new products. You can find those on KaiserWillys.com. See you guys next time.